If you want to install two SenseGlove on two hands, first, take the first glove, open the straps, the inside of the hand, where there are actually two straps. Put your hand through it. Make sure your thumb is between the two straps and tighten the two palm straps. Then, with your hands free, take the second SenseGlove, open the same straps, and put your second, or left, in this case, thumb through it. Turn the gloves around and tighten the straps. Now, put on every finger to the fingertip of your hand. You could leave, for example, your thumb and your index finger free to put on the thimbles from the second hand. Now lastly, take the two remaining thimbles and place it on your hand. Now you're good to go to work with two SenseGloves at the same time.